It's very interesting, right? Yes, it's very interesting. Let's learn how to make a Google form with a timer. Let's start the video. Welcome back to the Google Forms video. So in this video I'll show you how to display a timer on the Google form when someone is filling the form. So for that let's have an add-on here. So just click here and move to add-ons. So here there are many add-ons. Let's go to Timify.me. Just click on Timify.me and install it. Yes, for that you need to give the permission from your mail ID, and once you click allow, the app will be installed in your Gmail account. Yes, click on next. Done. Yes, I have installed the Timify Me add-on. So this is not the first time I am installing. So for the first time when you install, you need to create a small account in Timify.me, or you can easily log in with Gmail also. So I'll be closing it. Yeah. So after that, let's open a new tab and click on Timify.me, and let's go back to our page. And here, so coming to here, so we have a Timify website, and I have a created account already. I have logged in. So let's go back here to our quiz. So when you click on add-ons, so click on Timify.me. Here click on configure, and we get a small window here. Already the add-on is enabled, but let us click once again. So before that, for the very first time when you are doing this, so you will be having a key which will be shown here now. Yes, so add-on is enabled. So let me click once again the add-on enabled here, so that it will enable again. And also before that, you can also use this option, click to synchronize from settings, form settings. Let me click this again, so that it will synchronize according to Timify app if there are any settings we have done beforehand to this Google form. So by the way, this Google form creation is already explained in the previous videos. So let me click on add-on enabled once again. Yeah, yes, I'll have an option here, enable Timify.me for this form. Just I'm clicking on enable again. So this is just for our safety. So after this is enabled, we'll be getting one more this. Yes, this is enabled. So we can close it or minimize. I'll be closing it now. So jumping to this Timify.me dashboard. So first we have to create a test and type the email of the person for which you have to send this test. So I'm having my one more email ID. You can send how many number of videos, sorry, how many number of persons you need. You can also send like that. And time duration, we have example he has given as 120 minutes. Let's have a time duration of 1 minute. So we have an options auto close form whenever time is over. I am clicking on this. So hide timer, this is only for premium plans, and this is for premium plans, and allow to view quiz score and results after submission if the Google form is a quiz. Yes, we have a quiz. I didn't allot any marks, so that I am not clicking here, and I'll just have create. Okay, so respondent is nothing. Email is my another mail ID, and info and status, this is 1 minute, and auto close form. So if I want, we can open the mail ID of the send. We can open the mail ID for which we have sent the form. Otherwise we can just copy this URL here, and I'll be showing the demo here. Just copy and copy that URL and simply pasting it. This is how the mail ID's person looks. So this is so in this form this will be going, and the same will be sent to their mail ID also. So let us have this. I'll be clicking on the open the form. Yes, this is what we see. Submit now. So you can see the timer 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42. Yeah, like this we can see the timer. It's very interesting, right? It's going again 9, 8, 7. So let's wait what happens after 1. Yes, sorry, time is over. Your answers were not recorded. So this is what happens when we have an option like close the Google form whenever the time is completed. So if it doesn't click on that option, the overtime will takes place for Google form whenever we are sending it. So this is regarding the time. So apart from that, we can also send the test to the concerned mail IDs, like using an option send test, and select the ones for which we have to send the assignment or test, and click on next. And if you want to write any message here, we can write and click on next here, and you can send test by clicking send test here. Yes, yes, it is sent. So already I have used this video just now, so for that it is like always in focus, time is completed like that. Okay, thank you again for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more interesting and short and crisp videos. Jai Hind.